The administration phase bar screen. I'm still getting this phase bar thing in my brain. This is where we set the case up once we've chosen the patient and placed that file into the database. You'll see the tooth model here. Now what's nice about 4.0, this is when we set up potentially multiple teeth to design and create at the same time. Within 4.0, there's a buzz about this quality. The way you operate it is you take your cursor over a tooth and you'll see that tooth light up like a halo. They had some good thinking on that one, didn't they? You click that. The next screen that pops open will ask you to define the type of restoration it's going to be. That's there at the top. And then as you move down the screen, it'll give you what we call the design options. There are 3 design options. Individual, biogeneric. That's been around for a while. There's a new name for what we call correlation. That's still in my gray matter. It's now called biogeneric copy. The abbreviation that you'll occasionally see in the software is biocopy. From now on, Clem's going to call it biocopy. And then we have biogeneric reference. The next step that you'll see down on the step menu is material selection. I would advise you to choose that at this stage of the game. When you activate that thumbnail, you'll see the various brands there at the top of the page. Choose the brand of ceramic to your preference, and then choose the option within that brand. What that does is it sets up the sequence for design, particularly once you get to the milling stage. If you're using a ceramic that has multi-layer, either the Impress or the Vita, particularly the Life, in the milling phase screen, it gives you the options of how to rotate and move the ceramic around to optimize those gradated layers. Once you've chosen your material, you'll hit OK. It takes you back to the tooth chart. And at that time, you have the option to choose another tooth, so you can do multiple teeth, and then you're ready for your acquisition. Rather than the green arrow, you have 2 options of moving to the next phase bar screen. You'll see the arrow there on the right of your screen that lights up slightly white. If that lights up white, that means you're ready to go to the next screen. If you place your cursor over that and it doesn't light up, there's another task or operation you need to accomplish within that screen. It's kind of like a check and balance. The other way we can move to the next phase bar screen is go to the top phase bar, and you'll notice that when you're ready to move to the next screen, you place your cursor over that. For instance, we're in administration now. You place your cursor over acquisition. There's that white gradation that appears, which means that the software has approved you've done it right. In other words, you have the data in the software to move to the next phase screen.